Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I will show you how to move Windows to another desktop in Windows 10 and make multitasking much easier on your PC. Step 1. Using drag and drop, press win+tab to open Task View. This shows all your open windows and desktops. Click and hold the window you want to move, drag it to the desktop thumbnail you prefer, and release it to move the window instantly. Step 2. Using the context menu, open Task View with win+tab again. Right-click the window you want to move, select Move To, and then choose the desktop you want it on. This is useful if you prefer using menus instead of dragging. Step 3. Using a keyboard shortcut with no mouse, press win+tab to enter Task View. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the window, then press Shift+F10 to open the context menu. Select Move To and pick the desktop where you want the window to go, which is perfect for keyboard-focused users. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tips and tricks.